Palm reading, or palmistry, is an ancient practice used to interpret the lines and shapes on a person's palm. Historically significant across cultures, it is believed to offer insights into one's character, relationships, and potential life events, drawing on the wisdom of countless generations of practitioners. In palmistry, the dominant hand reflects personality traits and current life circumstances, while the non-dominant hand reveals inherited traits and potential life paths. Understanding both hands is essential for a complete reading, as they illustrate the balance between external experiences and internal strengths and conditions. The heart line reflects emotional experiences and relationships, indicating how one loves and connects. The head line represents intellect and decision-making, showcasing one's thoughts and approach to problem-solving. The life line reveals vitality and overall life journey, signifying health risks and significant life changes. Minor lines in palmistry, like the fate line and sun line, offer deeper insights into a person's life. The fate line indicates life's direction and destiny, while the sun line reveals recognition and success. Together, they enrich the reading by highlighting unique paths and accomplishments. Mounts are the raised areas on a palm, each associated with different planetary influences. Their prominence indicates various personality traits and characteristics. For instance, a well-defined mount of Venus suggests a loving nature, while a strong mount of Jupiter indicates ambition and leadership qualities, enriching overall palm interpretation. In this practical demonstration, we will guide you through a step-by-step palm reading using a sample palm. Begin by examining the major lines, then explore minor lines and mounts. Each step will illustrate how to interpret the unique features, helping you develop your palmistry skills effectively. In conclusion, remember that palm reading is an art that improves with practice. Key takeaways include understanding the major and minor lines, as well as mounts. Enhance your skills by reading others' palms regularly, observing details, and staying open to the insights that palmistry can reveal.